Hi everybody, it's Tina. Welcome to this very quick live. I'm really excited, you guys. I'm gonna wait a few seconds, see if anybody pops on here. If you're watching this on YouTube today, because this is going up, I wonder if I turn on this light, will it be better? Oh, it's not better. I'm like dark. Hey Chris, I'm really dark, like, let me see if I can. I think I'm just gonna be dark in the face here. I wonder if I could do this in a different area, if it would be brighter. It's a little bit brighter right there, right? Hold on one second, guys. Is that better? Like, is the brightness better? A little bit, huh? Yeah, maybe like that. Hey, Daisy. I don't know, you guys tell me, is that a little bit brighter? I feel like I'm not so dark now in the face. And come on, I put some mascara on. You guys have got to see my beautiful face. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, so let me just say, if you're watching this on YouTube, then I'm not live, but this applies to you guys too. So I'm just going to write when I'm done. I'm going to pop this onto YouTube. And so I just want you to know, not live on YouTube, just live here on Facebook, but totally applies to everybody. Hey guys, thanks for jumping on here. Okay, it is a little bit brighter. Okay, great. So I'm just gonna be face to face. I'm not gonna pop you guys up here. My door's open because it is a beautiful day here. So it's like beautiful, like really beautiful, 60s, and I'm loving it. So everything is opened up and it might be a little bit loud because of traffic, but I'm so excited to do this, you guys. Hey, Kimberly. So I am doing a fun giveaway. And this is because I am just really close. It's the end of the month. It's like just about the end of the month, right? And I'm really close to just hitting some goals with my sales that I need to hit, right? So this is just something that happens every month. Sometimes you hit them, sometimes you don't. You know, it's kind of no rhyme or reason. It's just, you know, if product is good and people are ordering and all of that. So it's not anything that's not normal, but I'm really close to hitting this by the end of the month and I would love to just hit it. So I thought, oh, I'm going to pop a post on and be like, hey, if anybody needs anything, let me know. I'm going to put in an order in the next couple days and just maybe hit this goal. But then I thought, wouldn't it be better to do a really fun giveaway? Because it's the end of the month. It's really fun. I've been packing out my studio so that we can do all the rearranging and we're making all those plans. And so I'm finding a bunch of goodies. And I thought, what if I did a giveaway? So we're going to do a really big giveaway for the next 4 days, like till the end of the month. So from February 25th through February 29th is when this giveaway is going to run. And are you guys excited to see what it is? Okay, so do you see these Stampin' Up bags? These are super fun Stampin' Up bags. These, you can only get these Stampin' Up bags if you're a Stampin' Up demonstrator. There's a place that we can order these bags. I personally have this one. I love it. I love that design. And you get 3 of them when we order them. So I'm going to order these bags and we are going to have a fill the bag giveaway, right? So fun. So you get to choose whichever bag you want. Okay. And actually I'm going to say you get to choose 2. So you get to choose 2 of the bags. We're going to fill one bag up and then inside the bag will be another bag. Right? So that's fun. So you'll get to choose the 2 designs you want because I'm going to order all 3 of them. And then you get to choose the 2 that you want. So we're going to do fill the bag. So for every single order I get, I'm going to put an item in the bag and then I'm going to give it all away. How fun, right? So let me show you some things that are going in the bag right away. Like, let's just put some items in the bag. So this is going in the bag. This is brand new, but I'm going to open it to show you what it is. So you take it out and it's a pop-up Stampin' Up trash can. I love these. They're so fun. It's in this blue color. It's got this gorgeous design on it. And then it pops down and it has a little thing, like a little hook thing, and then it stores flat. So this is brand new. Again, this is something that only demonstrators can get. You can't get these as a customer. So this is going in the bag. This is the first thing going in the bag. The second thing going in the bag is the card kit that I shared over the weekend. So this is the designer paper and the card kit. You get the PDF and the video to create this card kit. Okay, that's going in there. The next thing that's going in here, oh my gosh, how fun, right? So this is this month's Stamp Club cards, and I have one set left over. So you'll get the PDF and a card kit to create each of these cards. So here's card number 1. Here's the next card. So inside these envelopes are all the pieces to create these cards, and you'll get the video and the PDF. You can sort of see this one. The little embellishment is in the way, but it's this card here. This card. So you get 5 cards. So you'll get the kits to create these cards and the video and the PDF for all of that. Okay. So that's going in the bag, right? There's still more, you guys. This is so fun. I thought this would be so fun. Okay. So you get that. And then this stamp set is going in the bag right away. So this is the exclusive Ladybug stamp set that you can only get if you place a $300 order. So I have several of these that I have earned since celebration started. So this is going in the bag right away. Okay? Right away. So there's a couple more things, you guys. So if you place an order with me of $50 or more, for every $50 order I get, I will put another item in the bag. And I'm going to show you some of the items that I'm going to put in this bag as we get orders. So this is just the stuff that's going in the bag right away. So even if I only get one order, one $50 order, that person will win everything that's in the bag. Okay? So the next thing that's going in the bag is this set of designer paper. This is from several years ago, and I have held on to it because I love it. And I keep thinking I'm going to use it. This would go so well with the Poppy set that we have now. But they're gorgeous. Gorgeous spring designs. This is from several years ago. So it's a whole pack. It's 48 sheets. I wanted to show you guys some of the designs. Pretty, right? So this whole set is going in the bag. Then I have 5 stamp pads for you guys. So we have Lovely Lipstick, Blueberry Bushel. These are brand new ink pads. Pineapple Punch, and Powder Pink. Okay, so I have 4. Sorry, I have 4. So fun, right? So these are brand new ink pads. You can still get re-inkers for these, so in case you don't have them. And then you also might have the old version of these stamp pads. So if you're like, oh man, I already have those colors, you might have them in the old style, and it might be fun to have the new style ink pads. Okay? And then I have 2 more items. I have a set of embellishments. Super pretty. And then I have a roll of ribbon because you guys know, like, I'm the crazy ribbon lady, right? So of course I have to put some ribbon in the bag right away. Okay, so those are all the items that are going in the bag right away. Like, they're just in there, okay? So let me show you some more stuff that's gonna go in the bag when I start getting orders. This stamp set I came across. It's brand new. I think it's from last year's celebration set. So this one. I have a bundle to stick in. I have 2 bundles. So I have the... I just dropped that punch. Thank goodness it didn't go on my foot. Okay, so it's this bundle here. It's the Under My Umbrella stamp set, brand new, and the punch, that's brand new. Okay, so that will go in there when an order comes in. I'll put that in there. Then I have the Honey Bee bundle. That's going to go in the bag. So I wanted to show you guys some of these that are brand new products. So if you place an order, you don't place an order for some of these items that you might win. So that's a bundle that's going in. This is a $50 bundle, you guys. I think it's $52. So that will be amazing in there. And then I have one other celebration item, which is this happy birthday item. So fun, right? So those are some items that are going to go in the bag. So this is how it works, you guys. It's just, I know this is backwards, so it might not make sense to even see the logo I have, but this is what I'll post. So you get to pick two of these bags. One bag is going to be filled with all of the fun stuff. You just place a $50 order. So every $50 that comes in, I will place a new item in the bag. Okay? And everybody who places a $50 order or more between now and the end of the month gets to be entered. So say you place a $100 order. You get 2 entries into the fill the bag giveaway. And I'm going to pick a winner live on Monday. So on my Facebook Live on Monday, I'm going to pick a winner live, and then I'll contact the winner. Okay, so I just thought this would be super fun. You'll get 2 of the exclusive bags, which will be fun. You'll get the exclusive trash can, a couple of the kits that I have happening that come with videos and PDFs, and then a whole bunch of product. An exclusive ladybug stamp. Maybe you don't want to spend $300 to get this stamp set. Maybe you could win it. And then a whole bunch of other goodies. And then I will post every time I get an order, I will post a new item that's going in. So I might post this evening and be like, okay, here's 3 or 4 more items that are going in the bag. Okay, so between now and the end of the month, and I wanted to get this up here for you guys and share with you the Fill the Bag giveaway. And then if you have any questions, let me know. I'd rather spend money at Stampin' Up than pay the ambulance bill. Yep, you got me there, Daisy. That's for sure. It'll be so fun. So thank you guys for tuning in and seeing my fun giveaway. I just thought of all of this stuff that I'm sort of packing up and trying to figure out what I'm going to do with. And I thought, why not do a huge giveaway for you guys at the end of February? It's just fun, right? Let's just dive in and do this. So thank you guys so much. If you have any questions, let me know. And I'm looking forward to giving one of you guys a huge amount of fun product. So thanks, guys, and I will chat with you later.